All right, so today we talked about outside turn, going around your back for the follows, yes, because we can do it up here, but this time we did a midsection, switching hands on the back and around. Then for level 2, we did 180, but let's go over the first combination, the basic. 1, 2, 3. First thing we're gonna use is open break, meaning let's go back, get out of the way, 5, 6, 7. Simply here, use mark your step as the follow finishes her outside turn. Then we do another open break. 1, 2, 3 to 5, 6, 7 to a check. 1, 2, 3 to a right turn. 5, 6, 7. Wait, did we do that on this level? No. I like guys. So again. Oh, it's just an inside turn. So we open break. 1, 2, 3. Release the hand and inside turn. Let's do a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 1. Again, 3, 5. You all right, girl? 1. Outside turn. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Step, step, step. I don't know what I'm doing.
Nope, you did.
1, 2, 3, 5. I'm confusing them. 1, 3. I got it. 1, 5. Leads right turn. 1. Follows right turn. 5. 1, 2, 3. Second one. 7. Yes. So from the open break, place the hand on the back. Leads right hand on the back. Inside turn. 5, 6, 7. Then again, circle. 1, 2, 3. Circle for the follows. If Lee wants to do a turn on his own, use your axle step, but we didn't do it this time, so don't do it. So the second one is adding a hook. 1, then 5 to a check, hammer lock, crossbody lead, inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, basic, 5. 1, 2, 3, to 5, to 6, to 7, to 1. Sorry, you already did your 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, to 1, 2, and 3, to 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3. Place the hand here. That way they follow. Avoid doing this. Keep her forward. 5, 6, 7. Notice where my 7 is. If I was to do a regular thing, I would have just do this. Stay forward. But I'm following her to do my 1, 2, 3 to get around. 2, 5, 6, 7. See. Yes. Good job, guys.